Hey, want to get into welding in 2025? These are my top 5 beginner welders. Let's jump in. 1. Miller Multimatic 215. This is hands down one of my favorites for beginners. Why? 2 words. Auto set. You just tell it what type of metal and the thickness, and it dials in the right settings for you. It seriously takes the guesswork out of welding. Super helpful when you're starting out and just want to focus on learning the technique. 2. Lincoln POWER MIG 215 MPI. Lincoln really nailed it with this one. It's built like a tank but feels super friendly to use. The display is clean, the controls are intuitive, and setup is a breeze. You won't feel like you're battling the machine, just smooth, reliable welds as you practice and improve. 3. ESAB Rebel EMP 215 IC. This welder's like having a smart buddy helping you out. It has a feature called S-MIG that actually adapts to your welding style and helps keep your arc steady and clean. The screen walks you through setup too, and it's kind of like having training wheels that don't get in the way. 4. Hobart Multi-Handler 200. Looking for solid performance without spending a fortune? The Hobart Multi-Handler is a great value. It covers all the basics and keeps things simple. No unnecessary features, just a reliable machine that'll grow with your skills without breaking the bank. 5. Miller Multimatic 220 AC/DC. Okay, this one's a bit more advanced, but hear me out. If you're serious about welding, especially TIG welding on aluminum, the AC/DC capability on this machine is gold. It's incredibly versatile, user-friendly, and built to last. It's the kind of welder you buy once and use forever. That's the list. Whether you want simple, smart, or future-proof, one of these welders will fit. Drop any questions in the comments, and if this helped, hit like or subscribe. Catch you next time, and happy welding.